I am thrifting at the Goodwill Bins. As soon as I walk in, I saw this piece. I grabbed it. It is missing a lot of these little wooden pieces, but I don't know. It's a really cool piece. I'm gonna put it in my cart and think about it because I feel like I could replace these, maybe restain the whole thing so all the colors match. Okay, I've been having a DIY idea for one of these. I'm gonna get it and maybe I'll finally do that. Literally for years, I've had an idea that just never comes to life. This is plastic, but I'm gonna get it anyway because these little flower frog pieces, there's 2 of them. I could easily put those at the top of a vase. Flower frogs really do make it so much easier to arrange your flowers. What is this? Oh, I think that's for a tablet. These boxes are cute. I don't love the color, but they seem like good quality. I could give them a DIY. Actually, I just redid the bottom. I like the top, and that would be cute for Christmas. Let me know if y'all have any ideas for these. I don't love this teddy bear, but I really like his bow. I think I'm gonna take that off and just take this ribbon. Okay, what is this? Because this color is beautiful. Oh, it has a marking. It says ballerina, made in the USA. So it's probably an older piece. The color is gorgeous. Look how good it looks with wood. I just found a bunch of these fake, very fake looking beards in a bin. I mean, with all the dress up days and stuff the kids have, you never know when they might need a fake beard. Ooh, swirl. No markings on the bottom, but I'm for sure getting those. Oh, here's a Christmas swirl. No markings on the bottom. Wait. Oh, okay. One side. Look, these are perfect. So most of the year you have it this way. Christmas time, literally all you do, turn it around. There's 3 of them. What is this? Oh, that is a very interesting ruler. It looks older. I'm gonna get this too. Ooh, this basket is cute. Love the colors. Just lay some florals right across here. Here's a cute little poof that would literally go so perfect in Ren's room. It might need some more stuffing. Unfortunately, it doesn't unzip, but I could still open it up at the bottom and add a little bit more in. Or once she sits on it, I don't know. This might be how it's supposed to be. Anyway, perfect colors. I don't see any stains on it. I'm gonna get this for Ren's room. Here's a giant angel head. It's made of foam and it's been broken. This looks like a mix of clothes and hard goods. Where's the rest of that? Doris. It's just Doris, this little box. Oh, is this Christmas? No. This is so heavy. It's a clown. Looks like chalkware. I actually think he's kind of cute, and I love chalkware, but he is so heavy, so I'm gonna leave him behind. I see some wood. Okay, that's pretty. Might be hand turned. Add to cart. This is where a lot of people throw stuff back because they'll put all their carts here and go through it and put what they don't want. I have no clue what that is. Frame. What is this? What? I am stumped. I have no clue what this is. They just brought out a new bin, but it looks like all clothing, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I really like this large cork board. I have a smaller one in Ren's closet, and we use it a lot, especially during the school year, to pin up all the little notes and reminders, and she likes to put her artwork. So I think I might get this one and replace it with the other one that's in her closet right now. Oh man, they're starting to pull this wall. I did not get to dig yet. I'm gonna go through it real quick. See if there's anything. I was able to rescue a few items before it got tossed. Brand new soap dispenser, matte black. Might put that in the boys' bathroom. And then this brown pillow cover. And I got this oyster. I forget what these are, but I know people like to decorate with them. This chair is only $7. It's a rolling chair. This would be so perfect in Waylon's room. The only issue is there's some kind of stain right here. If I can't get this off, I could maybe make a leather arm cover, you know? I think that'd be cute, or just some kind of different fabric right here. All right, I think I'm gonna get this for $6.99. I cannot pass that up. Might end up having to go check out because that's my cart and I want this chair. I'm gonna hold on to the price tag and just see if they bother me about checking out. Look at this brass beauty. I'm pretty sure it's a coat rack, but it has some issues going on. There's so many pretty pieces to it. And these, okay, just imagine these as hooks. You can remove them and then put them on your wall. Wouldn't that be so pretty? What's the price on it? It is $12.99. Should I get this? I'm waiting. They're almost done refilling the wall. One more bin left. All right, let's go dig. Well, that was a big bust. Actually, I think they just put back some bins that were already here because remember this bear? I saw a lot of items that I already saw before they pulled this wall. Well, here's a hat that'll not only keep the sun off your face, but your entire body. I can't stop thinking about this. I'm gonna go ahead and get it for $12.99. I can for sure do something with this. All right, I think I'm gonna head out. I got a lot of stuff. I need to go through my cart quickly and make sure I want all of this. I just had another idea for this. Since this side is already missing, you could just put it flat up against the wall and it wouldn't take up as much room since you don't have that leg coming out. That's another good idea for this piece. I got my cart organized. This is everything that I'm gonna get. Also, I discovered these pegs are not glued in, so you can move them around just depending on what you want to hang. And I'm pretty sure I have some pegs this size, so I can add more. I'm really thinking in my closet this would be a nice organization piece. So let me know what is your favorite item that I got today. Mostly I feel like a shop for me today, but I'm glad y'all came along with me. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on all of this stuff. Got to figure out how to get it to the register. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. If you're interested in the types of items that you see in my videos, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the home decor section, or you can come check me out on Whatnot. I have shows every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.